Good morning to all. Today we are beginning our fourth chapter, articles. I know you may already familiar with the word article. You have learned about articles in your previous classes. In this lesson, we are going to learn it in detail, especially the uses of the definite and indefinite articles. There are three articles in English. They are a, an, and the. Articles are actually determiners that qualify nouns. Articles make it clear whether we are referring to something in general or in particular. They are always used before nouns. Examples: can I have a bowl of soup? We saw an elephant walking on the road. From the aircraft, we could see the Himalayan range. When there are adjectives before a noun, the article always comes before the adjectives. We already told that articles are always used before nouns. But if there are adjectives before a noun, the article always used before the adjectives. Example: the Andes is the longest mountain range in the world. Buy me a big blue bag. Notice that in these sentences, we have two adjectives before the noun in the first sentence and an adjective before the noun in the second sentence. In each case, the article comes before the adjectives. There are two types of articles. They are definite article and indefinite articles. A and an are the indefinite article and the is the definite article. The indefinite article a or an. A and an are known as the indefinite articles. We use a or an to refer to something non-specific or to talk of things in general. Here, a and an are the indefinite articles. We are commonly used it to talk about something in general. Example: there is a tree in the garden. The teacher has asked us to submit an essay on holidays. In each case, there is no specific thing being referred to. It could be any tree or any essay about holidays. We use a and an before singular countable nouns spoken of in a general sense. This means that the noun modified is not definite or specific and refers to any one member of the group. Examples: a tooth, a table, a scene, an onion, an egg, an email. The use of a or an depends on the sound at the beginning of the word that comes after the articles. A is used before a word beginning with consonant sound and is used before a word beginning with vowel sound. Now see the examples. A truck, a syllable, a large egg. A user, a union of factory workers. In the first set of words, the words that follow the article start with the consonant sounds. So we use a. In the second set of words, however, the words that follow the article start with the vowel letters, but the sound at the beginning of each is that of a consonant Y. User, union. So we use a before such words. An is used before a word beginning with vowel sound. Examples: an apricot, an Englishman, an honest man, an MA in Marathi. Here, the words in the first set starts with vowels. So the article an is used. In each of the examples in the second set, though the word after the article starts with a consonant letter, what we hear when the word is spoken is a vowel sound. O in honest and A in MA. We use and before such words. When using abbreviations or acronyms too, we apply this rule. Acronyms means an abbreviation formed from the initial letters of other words and pronounced as a word. Example, NASA. Examples, a UPSC exam, an MP, and HSBC loan. If the abbreviation or acronym begin with a vowel sound, we can use an. If they are beginning with consonant sound, we are using a. When a noun is modified by an adjective, we use a or an depending on the initial sound of the adjective that immediately follows the article. If we are using a or an before the adjective, we use a or an depending on the initial sound of the adjective. Example, a red ant, an unhappy situations. Uses of the indefinite article. The main uses of the indefinite article are listed below. When we use a singular countable noun in a general sense to mean any one of its kind, or when we mentioned it for the first time. Remember, we cannot use a singular countable noun without an article or a determiner before it. We can use a or an before a singular countable noun when we say it in a general sense. Examples, do you have a phone? An owl and a cat went for a ride in a boat. There is a beehive in the mango tree. This rule, however, does not apply before uncountable nouns. We cannot use articles a or an before uncountable nouns. Second, before the names of meals. We cannot use it before the names of meals. However, for special meals, we can use a or an. Example, this is a dinner in his honor. We cannot use a or an before the names of seasons. Example, in spring, birds build nest. The season just before winter, when trees shed their leaves, is called autumn. We cannot say in a spring or an autumn. When we talk of a singular countable noun used as an example of a class of things, we can use a or an before a singular countable nouns which represents a class of things. A book is a faithful friend. A spanner is used to tighten nuts and bolts. When we use expressions of quantity, price, speed, ratio, or units of measurement, 100 rupees 50 a liter, an inch, a dozen, 2 kilometers a minute, a 5 one chance. When we use the term half when half follows a whole, 4 and a half. When we use expressions of frequency, once a week, 4 times a year. With a noun complement, even when we want to indicate membership of a group, talk of a job or profession. We can use article before a noun complement which indicate membership of a group, talk of a job or a profession. Examples, I'm an architect, Raghu is a Buddhist, Shefali is a manager. When we use exclamatory expressions before a singular countable noun. Example, what a shot, what a painting. With few and little in fixed expressions. We can use article before few and little in fixed expressions. Examples, a few years, a little honey. Sometimes before Mr., Mrs., Miss plus a surname. When a surname followed by either Miss, Mrs. or Miss, we can use the article before it. Example, a Mr. Gupta called, a Mrs. Menon is waiting to see you. Now we are moving to our first exercise. Check whether the articles has been used correctly in the following sentences. Correct the sentences that are wrong. You can see 10 sentences in this exercise. You have to first check whether the articles has been used correctly or not. If it is not, we have to correct those sentences. First one, the university awarded Mr. Murthy a honorary degree. Here article A is used before honorary. We know that the pronunciation honorary is beginning with the vowel letter O. So we have to use an before it. Second, an material ring on the leg of a migratory bird helps to track its path. The article an is used before metal. Metal is a word beginning with a consonant sound, so we want to use a instead of an. Third, a engineer saw man tampering with the pipes in the building. Engineer beginning with a vowel sound, so we have to use an before it. An engineer saw man. Before man, we can use a man. For camel and a monkey wanted to cross an river is a word beginning with consonant letter, so we have to use a. 5. Please buy a nails and a hammer. Here a is used before nails. Nails are plural nouns. We are using a or an before singular countable nouns. So here a is incorrect. 6. There was a island in the middle of the river where we went for a picnic. Here, before island, article a is used. Island is beginning with vowel sound, so we have to use an instead of a. And at last, before picnics, a is used. Picnics is a plural noun, so we no need to use an article before it. 7. A African and A American were part of the team. Both African and American are begin with a vowel sound. So we have to use an in the place of a. 8. The leader called a meeting, but only few people attended. We already told in fixed expressions, few. We can use a before it. 9. There is a Miss Charles to see you, sir, the housekeeper announced. Here we no need to use a before Miss because Charles is not a surname. 10. What wonderful painting! Exclaimed Chitra. We told in exclamatory expressions before a singular countable noun, we can use the article. What a wonderful painting! Exclaimed Chitra. I hope you understood the exercise. Pause the video here, take your pencil and make the corrections in your textbook. Let us check the answers. First, the university awarded Mr. Murthy an honorary degree. Second, a metal ring on the leg of a migratory bird helps to track its path. Third, an engineer saw a man tampering with the pipes in the building. 4. Camel and a monkey wanted to cross a river. 5. Please buy nails and a hammer. 6. There was an island in the middle of the river where we went for picnics. 7. An African and an American were part of the team. 8. The leader called a meeting, but only a few people attended. 9. There is Miss Charles to see you, sir, the housekeeper announced. 10. What a wonderful painting! Exclaimed Chitra. Now underline all the important points in your textbook and copy the first exercise neatly to your notebook.